Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to be talking about a new part we're launching, which is a WKT-D 1843P. Fits the 2011 to 19 Ford Explorer, the Police Interceptor version. Greg, what do we do to this part?
We've taken our standard offering and modified it by cutting the hole in the outer and the inner to accept the fixture for the spotlight. This kit will include the outers, the inners, and the clips to attach.
You can get this part from your favorite auto glass distributor. Thanks for watching.
adjust
Now I
that so I
gotta,
get it
now I
correct.
gotta adjust that, so I get it correct for you.
Alright.
Is this good? Is our hands okay?
good.
Is this
Good.
good? Is our hands okay?
I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts.
I'm
here
Jeff
to
with
Greg
Precision
today.
Replacement
We're gonna
Parts.
talk
I'm
about
here
a
to
new
Greg
part we're
today.
launching,
We're
which
talking
is
about a new part we're
WKT
launching, which is the
1843P.
D1843.
That's what I said.
No. Missed the
Like
D,
that.
sorry about
No,
Huh?
that's the D.
Say again.
Huh?
Say again.
What did I say?
You didn't say the D.
What did I
that.
say?
You just said
Yeah, you
1843.
didn't say the D.
Oh, okay.
I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts.
I'm
here
Jeff
to
with
Greg
Precision
today.
Replacement
We're gonna be
Parts.
talking
I'm
about a
here
new
to Greg
part we're
today.
launching.
We're going to
which
be
is-
talking about a new part we're launching, which is
I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts.
I'm Jeff
here to
with
Greg
Precision
today.
Replacement
We're gonna be
Parts.
talking
I'm
about a
here
new
to Greg
part we're
today.
launching.
We're going to be
which is
talking about a new part we're launching, which is the WKT 1843P.
2011 to
Now, this is the
1904
2011
Explorer,
to
a police
1904
interceptor
Explorer, the police
Greg,
interceptor
what do we
version.
do to this part?
Greg, what do we do to
We've
this
taken our
part?
standard offering
We've taken our
and
standard
modified
offering
it by cutting the
and
hole to
modified it
receive the
by cutting the hole
spotlight
to receive the
in the
spotlight
outers and the inners.
in the outers and the
The
inners.
kit includes the outers
The
and the
kit
inners
includes
and
the outers
clips
and the
to
inners
attach it
and
to
the
body.
clips to attach it to the body.
You can order this part from your local
You
auto
order
glass
this part from
distributor.
your local auto glass distributor.
Was that it for the outro, or did I say something
Was that it
else?
for the
I think you
outro,
said
or did I
something
say
else.
something else?
I think you said something else.
Did you do the whole